J.P. Reagan. Man, I like that name, J.P. J.P. Reagan's pulling his 03 Silverado he calls Big Ben.
Are those little kids gonna get black smoke? Nope. What's up, guys? Haven't talked to you in a while.
96 feet, which would put him in second place.
Just checking in, let you guys know
man. Come on.
that I'm at the Anderson County Fair. We are sponsoring it. Guys, promise more videos, but I've been kind of busy. But just check out dropandgodumpsters.com. If you need a roll-off dumpster in Tennessee, East Tennessee that is, you can give us a call, bring you one out. There's the big sled these guys are pulling on. And there's our sexy little green dumpster we talked about. Their sign is like way down there. You got all these people, black smoke. But guys, you have a good night. Remember to drop and go dumpsters. We will talk to you later.